Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will feature 3 transcription companies that are currently hiring. These companies are looking for talented individuals to join their team of transcriptionists. The first company is Done It Now. They require you to take a test. But before you take the test, they mention a few things you have to remember. The first thing they mention is the importance of audio quality. Transcribing can be a bit tricky, especially with poor audio. They provide a proofreading checklist, and if your work doesn't meet it, it gets sent back for corrections. If you're new, they suggest making choices that make sense to you. They don't tolerate time wasters. As a contractor, you're responsible for fixing your own work if it's not up to par. So reliability is key. They prefer transcribers who can handle various types of audio, transcribe verbatim, and follow instructions for different types of transcription work like medical or legal. Basic research skills are necessary. You should be able to use search engines to fact-check names and terms that come up in your transcripts. High proficiency in English is a must. It should be your first language, and you need to understand Australian colloquialisms and place names, as the company primarily deals with Australian clients. Applications are only accepted from certain countries: Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and the United States. To take the test, you'll need transcription playback software on your computer. They recommend using free software like the FTW transcriber, and you should download it before the test, as installation will require a restart. The test is timed, so be ready to start when you click the Start button. Company number 2 is Fingertips Typing. Their application process is simple. Just fill out the application form on their website. Fill in your name, email, and telephone number. Make sure you have digital transcription equipment, a good amount of transcription experience, and that English is your mother tongue language. Also, it's important to stay within the scope of GDPR regulations. They also will ask you to write something about why you should work for them. Then, upload your CV and cover letter. Once you've filled out the form, click the Send button. Then, all you have to do is wait for further instructions. Company number 3 is Iuno. Go to their careers page. The link is in the description of this video. Scroll down the page and you'll see where it says, Search Freelance Position. Click that button and a new page will open. Navigate to the bottom where it says, More freelancer jobs available here. Just click that and see which positions are available. You will see Freelance English Template Creation was posted 2 months ago, and the deadline for application will be 5 months from now. The job responsibilities are the following: transcribe English videos, series, movies, talk shows, etc. Create subtitles or English template for English videos. Qualifications: excellent command of written English, excellent listening skills to be able to decipher spoken English in various slang and/or accents. Familiar with various TV series, movies, and cultures would be advantageous. Positive, can-do spirit, proactive, result-driven, and resourceful, willing to learn new things and enjoy new challenges, able to work in a fast-paced environment and within limited time constraints. This is a freelance position with no limitation as to the location. Payment is made via PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer within 30 days. Now click the View button. At the lower part of the page, you will be asked to select a position you would like to apply for to view the list of tests required to submit your application. Select English to English transcription. Then click the Apply button. You'll be prompted to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, then sign up. Then answer the short survey. When you're done, click the Start button and read the guideline and the instructions by clicking the Instructions button. Read them carefully. You are given 2 hours to finish the assessment test. When you're ready to take the test, click the Start button.